Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Blackbox AI to create a fully functional website. So let's get started. First, open Blackbox AI in your browser. Once you're on the main page, go to the prompt area and type this command. Give me a beautiful and well-customized website in CSS and HTML. After typing the prompt, press enter. Now, Blackbox AI will start processing your request. It may take a few moments, so just wait while it generates your website code. You'll notice it first creates the HTML file, which contains the structure of your website, things like text, layout, and images. Then it will automatically generate the CSS file, which adds the design, colors, and styling to make your website look attractive. Once both files are generated, scroll down to the HTML section and wait for the preview to load. After a short moment, you'll see your website appear right on the screen. In my case, there was a little internet issue, so I only got a blank page, but normally you'll see a properly designed and customized website that you can copy and use anywhere. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss more awesome AI tutorials like this.